Hi everybody. We are doing this special grocery haul today because it's in honor of Robin Sumner. We wanted to do the mass grocery haul playlist thing. So we just got back from shopping. It's Saturday, August 26th. We went to 3 stores. First we went to Sam's Club for a few things, then we went to Shoprite, and then we went to our local farm store. So let me start off with Sam's Club. We don't really do too much shopping at Sam's Club anymore because we don't buy a lot of like junk food like they have in bulk. Although we did get these Reese's Halloween candies, but this is just for Sean because he's been asking for his Halloween candies. So we got some of those to put away. We got some mushrooms. We usually go through one of these per week at least. Some pistachio nuts. It's one of Mark's favorite snacks. We got some gluten-free tortilla chips, which is kind of ironic because regular tortilla chips are also gluten-free. So it's kind of a weird thing, but whatever. Got those. Got some of my favorite salsa in the world. This is like a pico de gallo style. It's like very fresh. It's so good on Mexican night. I use that in the corn slaw, and I also use that in the meat mixture. Because if you guys don't know, we're pretty much all vegan. Occasionally, the boys will eat not vegan outside of the house, but for the most part, we're all vegan. We got some red pepper hummus. We got some Beyond Burgers that were on sale. I think these were 15 and change. Not the greatest price in the world, but okay. We're trying these Extreme Wellness spinach and herb carb lean tortillas. They're keto friendly if you're interested. These are not gluten-free, so I'm still going to eat my gluten-free wraps. But they wanted to give these a try because instead of soybean oil, they use extra virgin olive oil in here. Wonderful. And some garden salad because they didn't have romaine. So that's everything that we got at Sam's Club. So then we went to Shoprite where we got a ton of frozen veg that was 88 cents each. I really like these lupini beans. I think this giant jar here was like 5 and change. Some refried beans. These organic ones, the store brand, are so delicious. I love them. Some hominy. I love putting that in the meat mixture. It really bulks it up. We're having wraps tonight, so I got another tzatziki sauce that is vegan and gluten-free. The Beyond Sausage was on sale, so we picked up another one of these. I'm pretty sure all of the Beyond products were on sale at Shoprite, but we got the burgers at Sam's Club, so I decided, hey, let's just get one of these to put in the freezer for when we want to use it. The Shoprite that we went to didn't have the Goya vegan yellow rice mix, so we ended up getting a Vigo creamy avocado one. We got some red onions that were on sale. We got Sean's favorite toothpaste. Well, our favorite toothpaste for Sean, the plaque release. It's usually $8.59 or $8.49, and they had a special for $3 off. Honestly, we didn't know about the special until we got to the cash register. I would have paid $8.50 for it. That's how desperate I am for good toothpaste, but $5.50 is better. We also got some fresh broccoli crowns, Mark's favorite organic pomegranate juice, and a bunch of toilet paper over there. I mean, that's self-explanatory, right? Then over here, there's so much stuff in this kitchen right now. Over here at the farm store, you can tell we haven't been buying a lot of fruits lately because the peach tree is like fat with peaches. That's coming to an end though. The Red Delicious apple tree is starting. The Granny Smith apple tree is starting. And the pears are also coming to a close, but this was a very good year for the pears. So I've been enjoying those immensely. So at the farm store, I did end up getting some Honeycrisp apples, some eggplant. We got some local coffee, Lake Placid roast. I really just like the name a lot because my parents used to love to go to Lake Placid every year since they were married, and they were married for like 57 years, I think. It's 57, 54, I don't remember. Wonderful. So I love Lake Placid, and so did they. We had to bribe Sean a little bit, so we got Chester Cheetos over here. And the farm store is the only store around that has the Oatly yogurt in the big container. And I really like it because it's plain. It's vegan and gluten-free because it's made from oats. It tastes like a very thick sour cream, which is amazing. I use it in a lot of sauces. I use it when I bake. I use it just for enjoying plain, or with some granola sprinkled on the top, or with some peaches from the yard even. So good stuff. We had a lot of stuff, so I didn't need to get too much stuff. I just had to top off a lot of stuff. That's our haul from this Saturday. I hope you enjoyed watching, and subscribe for more. Thanks so much, and till next time, much love.